In a defining moment for Turkey's defense industry, the country officially began mass production of the next-generation Bayraktar Akıncı, a combat drone that has become a symbol of technological self-sufficiency and military innovation. This new phase marks a major leap in Turkey's journey to becoming one of the world's top drone producers. Developed by Baykar Technologies, the same defense company behind the world-renowned Bayraktar TB2, the Akıncı represents the next step in unmanned aerial combat. With a larger chassis, superior range, powerful weaponry, and artificial intelligence (AI)-driven systems, it offers a more robust weaponry. The Akıncı's weapons suite exemplifies Turkey's rapidly evolving domestic defense ecosystem. It is compatible with a wide range of domestic munitions, including the MAM-L and MAM-T smart micro-munitions, the HGK and LGK precision-guided bombs, and the SOM-A cruise missile, capable of engaging targets up to 250 kilometers away. For the next-generation model, new payloads such as air-to-air missiles and electronic jamming pods are being introduced. These upgrades transform the Akıncı from a ground attack drone into a multi-domain combat asset, capable of neutralizing aerial threats and participating in networked air operations alongside manned fighter aircraft such as Turkey's upcoming Kayan stealth jet. The drone's radar technology is also a key advantage. Equipped with an active electronically scanned array, AESA radar, synthetic aperture radar, SAR, and an automatic target recognition system, the Akıncı can operate in all weather conditions, day or night. Its AI-based targeting suite allows it to automatically distinguish friend from foe, drastically reducing human error and increasing attack accuracy. The mass production of the Bayraktar Akıncı next generation represents more than just industrial success. It is a geopolitical statement. The Turkish defense industry has evolved from a regional supplier to a global competitor. With exports to more than 30 countries, Baykar drones have redefined Turkey's technological image on the world stage. By producing advanced UCAVs domestically, Turkey is reducing its dependence on foreign suppliers, strengthening its strategic autonomy in the defense sector. This is crucial as global conflicts and shifting alliances make access to Western weapons increasingly uncertain. Furthermore, the Akıncı program is stimulating Turkey's domestic technology ecosystem, creating thousands of jobs in engineering, manufacturing, and software development. Dozens of local companies are contributing components ranging from optics to communication systems, creating a network of innovation that extends far beyond military use. The technology behind the Akıncı also has potential for civilian and dual-use applications. Baykar engineers are exploring applications in disaster management, environmental monitoring, and border security. The AI-based control system and data analytics used in these drones could be adapted for autonomous cargo aircraft and next-generation urban air mobility platforms. As such, the Akıncı symbolizes not only military might but also Turkey's broader ambition to become a technology hub where innovation drives defense and economic growth. The international defense community has taken notice. Analysts in NATO and other countries have described the Akıncı as a game-changer in drone warfare. Countries that once relied on expensive US or Israeli platforms are now turning to Turkey for a reliable, battle-tested alternative. Export interest is reportedly strong from countries such as Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, Indonesia, and Malaysia, while Ukraine continues to operate earlier Akıncı variants with significant success. The drone's affordability, flexibility, and autonomy make it highly attractive to mid-level militaries seeking modern capabilities without the exorbitant price tag of Western UAV systems. With mass production underway, Baykar has developed the next evolution of the Akıncı platform, which focuses on AI swarm coordination, satellite-based control, and a hybrid propulsion system. These enhancements aim to create drones that can coordinate with each other and operate globally. Furthermore, Integration with Turkey's Kan fighter jets and Bayraktar Kızılelma stealth drones will create a connected combat ecosystem, where manned and unmanned systems operate seamlessly. This concept, known as loyal wingman operations, will enable drones like the Akinci to scout, disrupt, and attack targets ahead of manned aircraft, drastically increasing efficiency and survivability on the battlefield. The start of mass production of the next-generation Bayraktar Akıncı marks a significant milestone, not only for Turkey but also for the global defense landscape. This mass production embodies a combination of national ambition, cutting-edge technology, and operational experience, a testament to how far the Turkish defense industry has come in just 2 decades. The Bayraktar Akıncı, whose name means marauder in Turkish, is a high-altitude, long-endurance unmanned combat aerial vehicle. With a length of 12.2 meters and a wingspan of 20 meters, it dwarfs its predecessor, the TB2. Its twin-engine configuration results in a maximum takeoff weight of 6 tons, allowing it to carry an impressive payload of up to 1,500 kilograms, almost 6 times that of the TB2. The new production variant, often called the Akinci B2 or Next Generation Akıncı, is equipped with twin AI-450T turboprop engines, developed jointly with Ukraine, and will soon be equipped with indigenous TEI engines developed in Turkey. These engines provide a flight endurance of over 24 hours and an operational ceiling of over 40,000 feet, rivaling some manned aircraft in performance. However, what truly sets the Akinci apart is its multi-role capability. This aircraft is designed not only for reconnaissance and strike missions, but also for electronic warfare, signals intelligence, radar surveillance, and air-to-ground precision strikes. This next-generation model integrates advanced AI algorithms that enable it to identify targets, assess the threat environment, and make tactical flight decisions with minimal human input. The first Akinci prototype flew in 2019, a symbolic moment demonstrating Turkey's growing confidence in autonomous military technology. Since then, the drone has undergone hundreds of successful test flights, integrating new weapons and avionics systems year after year. In early 2025, Turkey officially approved mass production of the next-generation Akıncı, following extensive field testing by the Turkish Armed Forces. The production line, located at Baykar's state-of-the-art facility in Istanbul, is now operating at full capacity. The next-generation Akıncı is smarter, more powerful, and more autonomous than ever before. This reflects our belief that Turkey should not only use advanced technology, but also create it. Each drone produced undergoes a rigorous series of flight, system, and weapons integration tests before entering service. TSK plans to deploy dozens of these UCAVs at various bases, while export contracts are already being discussed with friendly countries in Asia, Africa, and Eastern Europe.